Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your space today. So it has been a while. I welcome you back. So I want to ask, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. Subscribe as well. So let's go to today's business. So I want to show you the needle arrangement right now. This 7 needles by 7 needles, this one at the back and the one in the front, I'm going to be interchanging them as in the orders of knitting this leaf pattern. And these two needles are the both side of the cast on needles are not part of my pattern. So I'm going to work with this first set of 7 needles. After then, I will now go at the one at the back and work with them. So let's go ahead and see how this pattern works out. So right now I'm going to use my transfer tools to do some transfer, in which I'm going to go to the first 7 selected out and shift it to the right by creating a space, removing this stitch and hang it on this one. So I'm going to do all this to all the 7 needles selected on this bed. So I'm going straight to the next 7 needles, just the way I'm doing it. You transfer it back left and right to create a lace pattern at the middle. So I'm going to bring them back to work. So I'm going to do same here. Then right now I'm going to use my needle pusher to push them to align together and knit 2 rows. So this pattern is so simple in a way that I will continue selecting the same needle again. It's so easy to remember what next to do. So select this again, just the same needle, the same way of the first set of selection. So go ahead and select. So the last one, sorry, I didn't pick the third one. So push the empty needle back to work and knit 2 rows. You can see what the empty needle created for us. So right now I'm going to go the third time, the same needle. So you can't just miss this, it's just the same needle. Sorry about that. So right now I'm going to bring the other 7 needles for the second order. I'm going to start with that right now. So I'm going to find the center of this needle, in which is here. This is the center of the first 7 needle. So you have to look for it. This is the center of the back 7 needles, I mean the center. So you have to look for the center. That's it. So I'm going to leave this on just the way this is on, without touching it. So I'm going to go by the side. I've not finished the first order. It's at the third stage of removing the lace hole here. So I will now start the second order just at the tip of this. So I'm going to go ahead and shift this, just same thing that I did here. I'm going to start it here at the back, at the 7 needle that is at the back, just here. So I'm going to start, then pull it out, then come here, create the lace hole at the both side, starting the new order where this is at the 3 stage of it. So just same thing. Then I'm going to pack all the needle together. So I'm starting the second order where this one is at this stage. So I'm going to need 2 rows as usual. You can see. So right now I'm repeating the same thing at the same place, removing the stitch and transfer it to the nearby needle to create a lace hole. So same, and here, and here. So right now I'm going to remove the first one to end it by removing the center needle of it, so ending this one right now, and I will continue with the second order. So pack the needle together and knit 2 rows. So this is it, the shape of leaf pattern is coming out. So let me continue with the second order, just the same place you are removing it, just continue doing it, removing it till you get to the top of it. Just working on this and this and this. These have gotten to the end. So knit 2 rows, then remove this at the tip of the leaf, then pack the needle together and knit 4 rows. You can see. So right now I'm going to start back from here. then this. Guys, see what we have. See how beautiful it is. You can see the beautiful lace pattern in leaf design. So adorable. So I believe that this tutorial has like helped you a lot. And if you have already know how to do this, please use it for any of your projects, and let's have fun together in knitting. So once again, I want to like remind you that you should subscribe to my channel and inform your friends and family about my channel, so that we can stay together in this channel and have fun in knitting together. See you next time. Bye.